Meet Rio, the forest's most brilliant parrot, practicing his daily tricks high above the canopy. But today, his performance was interrupted by a menacing sound, the low whirring of the hunter drone. This stealthy machine, designed to net rare birds, swooped in fast. Rio tried to escape with a sharp dive, but the net snagged him on a thick, thorny vine. He was left dangling, trapped, and struggling. Below, the cleverest bird in the woods, Rhea the raven, watched. She quickly devised a plan. As the drone lowered to secure its catch, Rhea used a shard of reflective foil to flash a rapid series of lights, jamming the drone's sensors. The machine stalled. This was her chance. Rhea flew up and with a quick snap of her beak, targeted the vine anchoring the net. Rio dropped free. They glided to a hidden tree hollow. With teamwork and smarts, the two friends had defeated the high-tech threat. If you love smart birds, like and subscribe.